Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to grant Claude access to your GitHub account. Well, to get started, you're going to want to go to github.com, and once you're there, go ahead and sign in as you would usually do. So as you can see, I've just signed into GitHub, and this is the opening dashboard or landing dashboard that you get to see. Once you're signed in and you see this dashboard, you can go ahead and go back to Claude. And once you're here, you're going to want to go to the Customize tab. So you can get there by clicking on this toolbox icon at the bottom of the column of icons at the left-hand side of your screen. So go ahead and click on Customize, and then you're going to want to navigate to the Connectors tab. And once you see the Connectors tab, you're going to see an option for GitHub integration in here. So right now, as you can see the status, underneath status, it says a check mark. Usually you're going to see a connect button like this one. Go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to ask you to authorize the connection. If you've already signed into GitHub right here, you shouldn't have to sign in again. So it shouldn't take longer than a few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds to authorize. And once you see this new chat page, you should be good to go. Claude AI will now have access to your GitHub repositories, and you'll be able to upload any files directly from GitHub into your Claude account by clicking on this button here and then clicking on Add from GitHub. So it's really that quick and really that easy, just some simple menu navigation and a few clicks. If I was able to teach you something new and something useful, please consider leaving a like and dropping a comment and subscribe. It would really help a lot. That's pretty much it though. And as always, thank you for watching.